Hey everyone, it's Tori back again with a new digital plan with me video, and I'm so excited about this. We're going to be looking at a Halloween themed daily spread in my new pink ink planner, the silver edition. So if you want to see how this came together, stay tuned. Alright, so we are going to start off by pulling a couple of items from a previous spread. So I went through and I grabbed a screenshot of the blank page template in this planner back in the notes section, and I cropped it down and I use it for another spread. So I'm just pulling this over so you can see how easy it is to line that up. And I'm going to pull in my text that I used for my date, and I'm just gonna swap out the days here so that I have the current date that I'm working on. This was a spread from September 30th, so I'm gonna put that in there. And now we can move on to the goodness. This is the new Witchcraft full kit from the Digital Siren, and it's super cute. So I'm gonna start pulling in some elements. The cat goes first, of course. The cat is cute. And I'm just going to start pulling in a few things. I have a little bit of idea what I want to do, but for the most part, this is one of those spreads, as most of my spreads end up being. I have no clue what I want. I'm just going to pull in stuff until ideas start flowing. So there's really cute things in here, and I want to start pulling in a few things. I think I'm going to use this wand for marking out a time slot. So we're going to see if that works out. And hint, it does, because the narration for this is after the fact. But that's, yeah. So, okay, so I'm going to pull in this spider web image and use the image tool to stretch it out to cover up this reminders box. Now, I'm going to take a minute to discuss real quick some differences between different note-taking apps. This feature right here with the image adjustment tool where you can stretch things is probably why I have not moved on from GoodNotes to something else. Because I hear a lot about Zoom Notes, I hear a lot about, was it Note Shelf? And this tool right here, I'm going to use it again with the image stretchiness. Like, I can't find that in the other ones. And am I the only one that uses this? I use it all the freaking time. All the time. So, okay, tangent. This is my rose gold sticker book, and I wanted to come get this black box, and I'm going to grab that black bar header too, because it goes perfectly with the colors of this. I knew I had that. So, sorry. Total tangent, but it's been bugging me. These cute little header banners are so freaking cute. Okay, like I said, this little black bar, I'm going to use this to cover up to-do list, because I'm going to use one of the little banners from the Witchcraft kit to create a different look. And since I didn't copy that before, I want it to be the same size, so I'm going to move it over, copy, and paste. But then I decided I wanted a little bit bigger, so now I'm going to go back and adjust the other ones so they're about the same size. A little bit of a perfectionist there. Okay, now what? Okay, so we're going to take this pretty purple border, and I'm going to stretch it out to go along the side, because I think it'll look really good along this tall side. Little pop of color. Little pop. And the broom is going to go over there with it, because I think it'll be cute. I'm going to set this up to where the right side of the page is, just like random thoughts and notes throughout the day. Because sometimes I don't want, even though this planner has a journal section, sometimes I don't want like a whole big section for journals. I just want like to jot down a few little thoughts. Oh, this is the Halloween set, and I really wanted this purple and black border to go with it, but I don't want it to be too small, so I'm going to crop it down instead of squishing it so that it still has that same look. I feel like I'm really random today. I hope you guys don't mind. Okay, black cat. We're going to move it around. I love this cat. It's so cute. And the star is cute, so we're going to put that in a couple different places. I think that'll work out really well. And this little golden sparkly doodad, I'm going to put that in a couple places. And oh, I love how it's coming together. I'm going to copy this little header again, this little ribbon, and stick it over to the side. Oh, and all my resources are going to be linked in the description, so don't miss out on those. And now what else do we need? Let's go back to the Witchcraft one. And, oh, the spider web little banner flag thing. I'm going to use it to cover up the date. And here's a little trick. You know, you can just crop it down and see how it's not quite the right size. So I'm going to undo that, and I'm just going to move it over to where I want it to be. That way I can visually see where I need to move my cropping line to get it about right. And boom, I like that. That works. Shift this over a bit. And now because I cannot draw a straight line, like at all, I'm using the shape tool so that it straightens out my lines for me. And so I can cover up some of the gray lines on this page template so that the colors work more with the colors I'm going with. See how much more that pops? That's lovely. And I like to do these little lines. I've gotten into this recently, little lines and dots just for a little bit of extra decoration. I think they're really cute. I like that. Oh, and I'm not going to use the timestamps for the schedule, so I'm going to use this line trick to cover those up. See, I can't draw a straight line. I'm going to cover those up so that you don't see those because I don't need it. And as you can see, it totally screwed me up because it drew over the line instead of with it. So I'm going to draw my extra lines out to the side, and then I'll move them. And let's move these out of the way. So I'll draw my extra lines over to the side, and then I can just move them over to where I want them to be. That way it doesn't override the lines. I don't know why it does that. It doesn't always do that, but sometimes it does, and it's just really annoying. So I'm just layering up some different colored lines just for like a cute little border over here, and it covers up the timestamps while giving some decoration at the same time. And I like it. And see, the dots again. Lines and dots. I've been doing this a lot lately, and I like it. I think I'll do it more. All right, so I feel like I have enough lines on here that it's not going to override a line, so I can just start drawing on top of it. It doesn't always do this where it, just kind of says, oh, I know you drew that, but I don't care. I'm going to do whatever. You guys, it's like 4 o'clock in the morning when I'm recording this audio, so I'm a little loopy. I hope you don't mind. I'm going to have some coffee. Okay, so this little wand is so cute, and I'm going to pair it with this little, it's kind of like paper textured little flag. And this is going to be like a time blocking area that I'm using this for. So I'm going to move that out of the way. I just cut that so I can paste it again later. I'm going to use the image tool. Once again, handy freaking tool. Stretch that out. And now I can resize this a bit. This little wand is going to be so cute. And paste back in that hat. I kind of want to wear this hat for Halloween, even though I'm not going anywhere for Halloween. I just really like this hat. Oh, I'm a little loopy this morning. Okay. All right. I think I'm done. Wait, no, I'm not done. Yeah. So even this recording, it's a little loopy. I swear. It's a thing. Okay. So I thought of something else I wanted to do. So I'm going to pull in this little map textured circle because I think it goes good with that paper texture banner, and I'm going to crop it down and stick it right there so it looks layered without actually having to layer it. Cute, right? I think I forgot something else. So, oh, okay. So I'm going to do the line tool and draw a black gray border around the spider web because I think it pops more. But now we got to cut and paste the cat so it's back on top. And what else? Y'all, I think I've figured out like stopping and starting this several times because I keep forgetting things. So what else? Oh, more sparklies. I wanted more sparklies. Let's grab those. And because I want to get the hat too again. So going to resize this. I hate it when it does that. I just want to resize, not stretch. Because I just want a little more sparkle over here. Because it pops on that purple. Okay. I think that's it. That's it. For real, this is it. This is done. Super cute. And now I'm going to show the after. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.